Hello, my name is Don Marshall, otherwise known as Bagger Don. Our home base website is Stock Market Caddy. We are automated traders. When I say we, it's my wife and I. We are not a professional broker or financial advisor. We're not making specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. We are more a mentoring site, sharing with like-minded individuals the concepts and tools that we have learned from trading our own money, tens of thousands of hours over the last 15 to 20 years. Long before there was an iPhone, long before there was a Twitter sphere, and even before the crash of '08. So we bring with us a tremendous amount of experience. I am proud to say that I do not come from the financial industry. In fact, more than 25 years of my career was spent teaching surgeons how to do surgery. My wife Susan comes from the technology industry, and we have basically developed our own financial tech business to control this part of our life, and again to share it and hopefully act as mentors for like-minded folks. On January 3rd of last week, we started sharing publicly the performance results of an automated system running on the ES contract, the S&P futures contract, the NQ, which is the NASDAQ futures, the Russell, the gold futures, the oil futures, copper, and the euro. We're running a strategy we call the green tea, not as an iced tea, but as in the forward tea position. This is an automated strategy that is running on case charts intraday. This was the performance they had. It tells you the amount of money it made during the course of the day from midnight to midnight and the number of trades here. So on Wednesday, running all 7 markets, totaled 3,570 trades. Thursday, 1,598, 69 trades. Now I'm going to record with you. We're going to go to the charts and we're going to record Friday's action. The reason we trade 7 markets, not fewer, not more, it's an ideal number because when one market is having a rough day, if you choose the 7 with some balance, you'll generally have a bullish day on 1 or 2 of the markets that'll more than make up for it. That is the idea. So let's go see how Friday did. I'm going to minimize this. We're going to come to the green tea on the ES contract. And let me share with you, this is the actual contract. I was going to share with you the performance. We can do that. Hold on. Okay, and we've got to move quickly because we only have 10 minutes on YouTube. This is the performance of this strategy running on the ES contract over a previous 6-month period. A profit factor of 1.60 overall, 2.1 on a long side, and 1.21. If you don't know what a profit factor is, you most certainly need to visit our site and find yourself a mentor. This is the other characteristics. Very manageable strategy. We go to the periodical reviews, and on Friday it was $762.50 on 3 trades. $762.50. 762.50 on 3 trades. We'll now go to the NQ. before we go to the performance, specific performance. The 6-month performance is 33,000 over the last 6 months. 1.29, 1.49, 1.10. We're a little bit concerned that she's trading a little too much. We may modify this for next week. If we do, we will make mention. The profit. Now, we do need to, let me even go back here on the ES. We do want to confirm, because when we do these, we do them at generally 8 o'clock in the evening, but they're still running through midnight. So it's possible on the day before that it could have been more or less. So 187.50 on 5. Let's just check that. 187.50 set on 4. So it was actually on 5 trades. Okay, we want to be very accurate. And so I'm going to do the same here with the NQ. The NQ did 855 on Friday with 9 trades. 855. 855. 9 trades. Now let's look on the previous day. And it must have been after we recorded. She's trading a little bit too much. She actually lost $90 on 29 trades. So let's record that. We got to record those losses as well. Minus 90. And it's on 29 trades. Let's go to the Russell. And performance review. Okay, that's what the equity graph should continue to look like. When we start varying from the model, we'll go in and take a hard look. First, let's record Friday, 170 at 21. 170, 21 trades. Also a little bit more than we'd like to see. Let's double check on the day before. We got 445 for 15. 445. 445 took 15 trades. Okay, we're going to now go to the GC contract, gold. I hope you do keep a journal of some kind. This is how we manage our money. Here is the performance for gold, 1.57 overall. Very much interested in that profit factor and this equity curve. That's what we want to see. So let's come here. Whoops, I'm sorry. We lost it there. Sorry, we'll open it back up. We want to come to the periodical performance on Friday, 9:30, 11 trades. And now let's double check the day before. We had, when we did it, was 220 for 13. At least, well, that's the real amount. 220 for 13. And we actually did a little bit better. So it's all good. Again, you want to keep track. This is, make sure your numbers balance. Now we're going to go to oil. I'll show you some of the performance characteristics. Okay, this is, by the way, these are not moving averages. Moving averages do not work. This is the equity curve. This takes us months and months to develop these systems, if not years. Friday did 180, 4 trades. And we're going to go here. 180, 4 trades. And let's record the previous day. 10 for 4. What did we have? 20 for 3. So we were, I think it was 10, right? Positive 10 for 4. Let's double check it. Want to be accurate. Yes, 10 for 4. Okay, we're going to have to move along here because I only get a few more minutes. For YouTube, copper lost 62, 8 trades. Copper minus 68, 8 trades. Let's go back and look back on the previous day. Now the previous day did 1312 for 6. I like to see that. Okay, we had a big fat winner in there. 12 for 6. Love that. Love to see those. They don't always work out that way. And it's the trading action after the evening that we recorded where we were. And then we have one here. It's the euro minus 481.25 for 6. Minus 481. Did it say? I think I said 55. We'll come back for 6. Concentrate. I'm trying to rush here. 481.55. Oh, heaven's sakes. Let's go back here. 481.25. Let's do this. 481. Oh. 481.25 for 6. The day before was 625 for 4. 6. Yeah. How we missed that out. Actually, 625. And it was actually for 4 trades. I must have done that one wrong. Don't usually drop in trades. Okay, and we need to tally these. It's not, hold on. Okay, we've just completed. We got to wrap up so we can get this video on YouTube. They've got limits for running those strategies. The ES, 3 days, generated $1,762.50, 13. The NQ, $1,365 for 61 trades. Probably trading more than we want. The Russell, 325, 57 trades. Also trading too much. We'll slow it down next week. I'll show you how. Gold, 1,800, 37 trades. A little bit much. Oil, 1,869 on 9 trades. That's beautiful. Copper, 781.50, 23. Little high. Euro, 744, 15 for 18 trades. Total, these 3 days are take $8,651.15, 208 trades. Automatic trading. Once again, folks, I'm Don Marshall, Bag of Don for Stock Market Caddy. If this type of approach to trading, whether you're trading futures, stocks, ETFs, options, if this resonates with you, feel free to give us a call. My personal cell is 813-758-8263. 813-758-8263. I'm in Tampa, Florida, and I'm happy to speak with you. Wish everyone the best. We'll see you Monday in the markets.